Hi everyone out today. Welcome to chemistry class again. And today we'll be talking about solubility. Okay, solubility of a solute in a solvent at a particular temperature can be defined as the number of grams of the solute required to saturate 1,000 grams of the solvent at that temperature. And then again, you can also define the solubility of a solute in a solvent at a particular temperature as the number of moles of solute required to saturate 1 dm cube of the solvent at that temperature. We've talked about this before. Now you need to note the following things before we start calculating. Note the following about solubility. Solubility can be regarded as concentration. Hence, it can be expressed in moles per dm cube, that's big letter M, or gram per dm cube, okay, or gram per 100 grams, or grams per 1,000 grams of solvent, that's G over 1,000 G of solvent. Now, number 2 point, solubilities of solids increase as temperature increases, okay, except for solids such as calcium hydroxide, calcium tetraoxosulfate 6, because their solubility decreases as temperature increases. Then number 3 point, pressure have no effect on the solubilities of solids, okay. Then number 4 point, so the solubilities of gases decreases as temperature increases, okay. Then number 5 point is increase in pressure increases the solubility of gases. Now, look at this question. Calculate the number of moles of the substance present in each of the following solutions. A, 250 cm cube of 0.4 molarity H2SO4. Okay, so here we need to use a formula, and the formula is number of moles, okay, equals concentration in mole per dm cube. Note that it has to be mole per dm cube times volume in cm cube, okay, then divided by 1,000. Now from the question, concentration is given to be 0.4. You have it here, 0.4, okay. So times, what is the volume? What volume was given? 250 cm cube. So we divide this by 1,000. So when you divide this, you're going to be getting 0.1 mole, and this is the final answer. So in like manner, we are going to solve the second question because we are given the same parameters, okay. So we have conc in mole per dm cube times V over 1,000, okay. So conc in mole per dm cube from the question is 0.5, and our V is 1,500. So divide this. Conc in mole per dm cube is 0.5. This is the volume, okay. So our final answer here is going to be 0.75 mole, okay. Okay, so final answer 0.75. Now look at the third question. It says 200 cm cube of a solution containing 5 grams of COH2 per 500 cm instead of per 1000 cm cube. So the first thing you're going to do is to convert this 500 cm cube to 1000, because it has to be in dm cube from the formula here. Do you understand? 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 cm cube. So what we'll do is to say if 5 grams dissolves in 500 cm cube of water, then x grams would dissolve in 1 cm cube. Do you understand? So we have to get this first. Over x equals 500 over 1, so x equals 5 over 500, okay. So, and that will give us 0.01 grams, isn't it? So if 1 cm cube contains 0.01 grams, then 1000 cm cube will contain what? x grams. So 1 over 1000 equals 0.01 over x. Okay, so this will end up giving us x equals 1000 times 0.01, and that should give us 10 per dm cube, 10 grams per dm cube, because now 1000 is. So this is our conch in mole per dm. So this is our conch in gram per dm cube, beg your pardon. And then we need our conch in mole per dm cube, okay? Don't forget our formula. So what we'll do now is to say conch in mole per dm cube equals conch in gram per dm cube over molar mass of CaOH2, okay, which is 74, okay? So divided by 74, so this should give us 0.1351 mole per dm cube, okay? So we can now go straight to use our main formula for calculating number of moles. So conch in mole per dm cube is 0.1351 that we just got. The volume from the question is 200, okay? So divided by 1000, okay, so that should give us 0.027 mole. All right, so you should be able to use this method to calculate question C and D, okay? Question D and E, I beg your pardon, as your classwork. So do these two as your classwork, and I'll send assignment. I'll give you assignment now. So this is your assignment, A to J. Do everything and bring it to school, okay? God bless you.